Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today let's talk about the Fatcherry 4+1 power strip. It comes in a neat package, boasting some good numbers: 10 ampere current, 250 volt and 2500 watt power limit. It claims to resist fire and endure a lot of on-off and insertion cycles. The strip is made of a solid brass, looks clean in white and has a 1.86 meter cable and 4 handy ports. But there's a small hiccup. The power plug claims to handle only 6 ampere 250 volts or just 1500 watts, not matching watts on the package. Makes you wonder if it's really up to the task. Now the actual strip. A simple on-off switch with a bit of light, 4 ports, 4 gadgets and a cable that's a bit shorter than the set. The thickness of the cable looks average and the ports don't have any safety strutters, showing off the brass inside. Flip it over and you can see the option to mount it on the wall. Testing it out, the switch clicks nicely and the ports do what they are supposed to do. All of the ports are working fine. In the end, I got it for 255 rupees. Not bad for the price, but if you're after top-notch quality, maybe spend a bit more. The mismatch in power ratings is a bit off, so keep in that mind when choosing your tech stuff. Thanks for watching.